Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Barbie inspired set of nails in celebration of the new Barbie movie that just dropped. I'm going to be dropping two videos related to Barbie themed nails. So these are all the supplies that I used for the nails for today. If you're interested in how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So before we get anything done, we're going to buff out all of our nail tips. I'm going to use my file that I got off Amazon. I can link it down below. Just using a regular sanding band and buffing out all of my nails. I'm also going to go in with my nail file and kind of buff out the roughness of the nails. So I'm just going to go with my file and kind of rub everything down to make everything smooth and even. I'm also going to shape my nails because I don't want them to have the little tabs at the top that come on them when they are manufactured, so I want them to be as sharp and straight as possible. Once that base coat is applied and cured, we're then going to go in with this bubblegum type of pink that I got from Modalones. I'm so sorry guys, I have no idea how to pronounce this brand. However, I do have an affiliate link for this brand if you guys want to save some money and also support me as I continue my nail journey. That link will be down below. I'm going to go in with this color and just use this on every single one of the nails. This set is going to be totally pink and totally Barbie. I always do 2 coats of every single polish that I use for all of my sets. However, for these 2 ones that I'm pointing at, which are going to be my accent nails, I'm going to go in with a 3rd coat because you're going to be able to see those nails a little bit more. They'll only have a few charms on them, but these other nails that only got 2 coats will have glitter all over them, so it won't matter as much. This set is going to have a matte finish. I just really love matte coats on my nails, so I'm going to go in with matte top coat on those accent nails and then curing them for 60 seconds. Once those 2 accent nails are in the dryer, I'm then going to go in on that index finger and coat that with a top coat. Don't cure it though, because you're going to sprinkle some glitter all over it so that it can stick, and then you're going to go ahead and put it in the dryer to cure. Going in with that glitter French tip for my thumbnail and my pinky nail, we're going to put a matte coat on them. That way when we sprinkle on that glitter, it's not going to stick to the base of our French tip. So we're going to go ahead and do that matte coat, cure it, and then go in with a top clear coat and use that to make our French tip. It's going to be a little bit hard to see, but as long as you can make a nice smile line and fill it in, it's going to be just fine. The nice thing about this trick is that, like I said, with the matte coat, nothing is going to stick to that. It's only going to stick to whatever is wet or tacky, which is going to be that top coat. So applying the glitter is going to be so much easier than if you had not put that matte coat on. Otherwise, you would have had to do a lot of cleanup with some acetone or alcohol and be very precise and careful with how you remove it. So I love this hack and I really suggest you guys use it.
Say
persuasive. From marijuana, she's so flirtatious. Keep it going. How does it feel to be alive? Let me break it down till it feel right. How does it feel? I'm so aligned and so that when I'm self can't get a vibe. I wait me too many get that I can't control. It's the flow. It's a can't tell when it's dark and I'm all wondering how does it feel? For my accent nails, I'm going to do one just with one simple butterfly charm. I've been loving these butterfly charms lately and I just think they're so cute and girly. So I'm just going to put one kind of at an angle on the middle finger and use my McCart glue. If I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. I love this glue so much, and I do have an affiliate link if you guys want to use that coupon code for yourself. I'm then going to use that same glue to apply some pearls on the ring finger. I love how this nail turned out. It's just so cute and girly, and it just kind of reminds me of Barbie in a way. Very classy and cute and just really fun. Once all the pearls are applied, I'm going to go ahead and cure, and this is the final result of the nails. I think they turned out super cute, very Barbie-esque, and just cute and classy. I think they're adorable, so guys, let me know what you think down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!